Graph the following linear inequality. Negative 8x plus 3y is less than or equal to 0. We're going to start by graphing the boundary. The boundary is negative 8x plus 3y equals 0. And when you draw the boundary, you're either going to draw it with a solid line or a dashed line. The solid line means that the boundary is included. The dashed line means the boundary is not included. So let's take our equation, negative 8x plus 3y equals 0. Let's solve for y. So I add 8x to both sides. That's 3y equals 8x. Divide both sides by 3. Y equals 8/3 x. So we have a y-intercept of 0, a slope of 8/3, so I'll rise 8 and go over 3. And I'm going to draw a solid line connecting those two. That solid line breaks this up into two sides of the line. We need to figure out which of those sides is the true side. So our second part is shading. We're going to need to pick a test point. And the only rule with the test point is that you have to pick an ordered pair that's not on your boundary line. Most people like to pick 0, 0, but in this example, 0, 0 is on the boundary line, so I can't choose it. So let's choose something else, and it doesn't matter what you choose, as long as you choose something that's not on the boundary line. So I just picked -1, +1 as my test point. You substitute that into your equation, your inequality. That gives me -8 times -1 plus 3 times 1 is less than or equal to 0. 8 plus 3 is less than or equal to 0. That's 11 is less than or equal to 0. That is a false statement. So my test point came out false. My test point is on this side here, and it came out false. The other side is the true side. We want to shade the true side. So this picture, the boundary line, as well as the shaded region, is a solution to this linear inequality. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.